So now in this segment of the course, we'll be talking about how do you come up with your ideal customer profile. In a nutshell, the ideal customer profile is who do you sell to as a business? Who do you intend to sell to as a business at that given point in your business? There are quite a number of business owners you reach out to and salespeople, and you ask them, yes, so who is your ideal customer? And they tell you, do you know what? My ideal customer is everyone. I mean, don't you see our product? It can be sold to every single person in this world. So yes, it could be sold to everyone, but in order to give you a best chance of success, it's always important that you understand, yes, we can sell to everyone, but where is a good starting point for us as a business? So you're a startup or you're a mid-sized company, at that given phase of business you're at, what makes sense for you to sell to? Here are some of the pointers you need to understand. Number one, what industry do you sell to? Number two, what's the size of the company that you sell to? Sometimes you as a service or as a service provider or as a product may not have the capability to sell to large corporations. So don't force yourself to be at that phase when you're not there. Just give yourself a realistic take that, you know what, for us, our company size that we sell to is between 10 and 50 employees. That is what's comfortable for us at this given point in time. Understand that if even when you're selling within the company, who within the company are you selling to? Keep in mind that decisions made within the B2B ecosystem sometimes have several stakeholders. So get to understand, if we are making our sale, who is responsible for that decision? Because sometimes you want to sell to the manager or the CEO when the thing you're selling really is not for his department. He doesn't understand what its role is. As an example, at Monkey Pesa, we sell CRM software. We know that this CRM software is used by sales, marketing, and customer support staff. Meaning, as opposed to going to the CEO, it might make more sense for us to sell to the sales manager or the marketing manager or the customer support manager, because it's what they use in their day-to-day job, meaning they will understand it better. And if we get them to understand what its role is and how it's going to get them to improve their business as a whole, it's easy for him to push it further to the CEO. It's a much easier sell than me going to the top and pushing for the CEO, which most people imagine that the moment you sell to the CEO, you're done. It doesn't work that way sometimes. So get to understand, as part of profiling your ideal customer profile, understand all those logistics, understand which industry, understand who within that industry you're selling to, understand the company size. In some scenarios, understand the geographies where you have competitive edge so that you focus on those geographies. Maybe, as an example, Nairobi specifically, or I'm selling to East Africa, or I'm selling to West Africa. That way, you're starting from where you have the largest chance of success. So before you even do anything as part of our planning phase, let's get to understand, who do we sell to? Keep in mind that this keeps changing. So what might make sense as an ICP when you are starting out may not be the same thing when you're a mid-sized company. So at all phases, as you transition, keep profiling that. Get to understand that at this given phase or this given year, who do we want to sell to? No one restricts you to just, you only sell to so and so. This year you might sell to fintech. Next year you might sell to other technology companies. Other year you might be selling to manufacturing companies. So keep adjusting that profile to see what fits best for you. I hope this was quite helpful for you, and keep following the course for the next episode. Don't forget, this video was sponsored by Monkey Pesa. If you need a CRM software that is powerful yet easy to use, visit monkeypesa.com. You won't regret it.